In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm using the daily layout. This is the Go Getter Girl disc bound planner, how I'm using it for my tracking my health, wellness, and fitness. To start off, I need to finish dating the monthly layout. I have been using this for putting in my workouts so that I can track them at a glance. So I'm going to grab the tiny numbers from the Essential Dates and Numbers sticker book right here and go ahead and fill that out. These numbers are really small, these little tiny clear stickers, so I like to use my tweezers to help get them off the page and place them on the page. Okay, the dates on the monthly are numbered, and as you can see, I did a workout on Thursday. I've been scheduling my workouts for Mondays and Thursdays. I'm trying to be consistent with that. So let's go over to this coming week, and I'm going to show you how I'm using the layout, and we're going to go ahead and prep this week for my health, wellness, and fitness planner. I already dated the week with these really cute date stickers from the Happy Memory Keeping book, and then I've been using this Wrong sticker book for my inspiration and my workout stickers. So we're going to grab some of those, and that's what I've been putting in each of these boxes for the week. I've been putting in like inspiration for working out, exercising, getting healthy, because one of my big goals for this year is to get healthy. And I'm going to show you how I'm using the other sections as well, focused on that goal. So I've been starting off with some of these, like the workout girls, like this, Be You Bravely. That's a good way to start off the week. So let's grab that one and put that here. Okay, let's go ahead and do the whole week. We'll get it ready. All right, Monday and Thursday are my workout days, so I'm gonna grab this Time to Sweat on Thursday. Let's put that in the middle, and then I really like these shoes. Oh, I can move them. Okay, cool. Maybe we'll put them like this. Maybe we need this back. No, we need the weights. Put the weights up here. I want these headphones too because I put in my ears when it's time to work out, so I can just focus on that. I'm gonna grab some more of these inspirational stickers for the other days when I'm not working out, but I'm still focused on health, and maybe some washi tape to go with that too. All right, we have some quotes and some inspiration, some decoration on our 5 days of the week. Let me grab some washi tape and we're going to decorate those just a little bit more. Great, I'm tired of flipping pages, so I'm going to take this whole week out, and we're decorating Monday through Friday. So let's take out Monday through Friday and work on those. All right, I found this cute washi. It kind of goes with this color on this sticker, so I'm going to put that around it. Let's throw in a little skinny washi too to fill in that gap. I love using washi tape to fill in gaps. I think it looks so cool like that. So let's put that there. Since I didn't line them up perfectly, I mean, that's okay, but see how cool that turned out? Now I'll probably leave a space. Let me see if I like this along the edge too. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna leave it just like that, and I'll leave this space for writing in a note. Okay, I didn't see a dark green, like a army green kind of color, but I did find this, and I like this. So I think I'm going to do almost the same thing as I just did in the other box because I really liked it. So I'm going to put some at the top and the bottom. This is like a blonde kind of a color with some different color shades of metallic foil. You gotta love it. All right, I found a cool skinny washi to use on this little square. I think that'll look cool there. All right, just a little bit more decoration. I found another purple. Actually, that one's a little bit light. Let me find another one from this purple washi set. Let's see, we want one a little bit darker, like that one's like dark purple. This one looks like dark purple. That's a little bit lighter than her outfit. How about this sparkly one? All right, that's pretty good. We'll go with that. All right, I want to label a couple of the boxes just on Monday because I know how I'm using them, but I wanted to give you some ideas for how you can use these boxes. So instead, this one says work to do. I'm going to put a box there to put a label on it. And then let's grab another one like this one. We'll put a box here and label this one. All right, next let's do a little time blocking so I can show you how I'm tracking my meals. And also I just want to share, look how cute this is. The mild liners in this silicone pen pouch are just so cute. So there's actually like a sage green one in there, which kind of goes with this color palette of these stickers. So I'm just going to go ahead and block off. So usually I have coffee in the morning pretty early. So I'm not going to use that end. I'm going to use this end so that I can show you where I write in like breakfast. We'll go in there. And then lunch will go, you know, depending when I have lunch, it's usually somewhere in that block. And then dinner will be after 5, somewhere in here. All right, I grabbed the yellow food sticker book just so I can grab a breakfast, lunch, and dinner sticker to put in those places. And that's where I will fill in my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm just going to go ahead and put it here. That way you can kind of see what I would write in those spaces. And the reason why I'm tracking food is I'm working on eating a vegan diet or plant-based diet. And it's very challenging. You have to plan a little extra because, you know, nowhere has healthy drive-through or fruits and vegetables. It's just really hard to get your hands on that stuff if you don't bring it with you. So you have to plan ahead, which is why I purchased some beautiful no-teak lunch boxes. These, you guys, they're so pretty for planning and bringing my lunches with me. I bought the whole collection of those and they're awesome. I've really been enjoying, and they're so pretty. They look like a purse. So here's how you can track your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm gonna have to write those in. So let's grab a pen. Let's grab a black marker so it'll look like those stickers. And I've been putting in like medications. I'm gonna put exercises and medications. So let's do see, exercises. I might be able to find a little tiny sticker that'll fit. I don't know, that's so small. Let's put I'm gonna try to write it small. Exercises, maybe I'll just put exercise and meds. So I have some medications and I'm trying to track any medication I take, including vitamins, or if I take an Advil for a headache, because I'm trying to pay attention to when I'm not feeling well and how I'm feeling. So some of the ideas that you can put in the spaces in between breakfast, lunch, and dinner are to just write about how you're feeling. What is your mood like? Do you feel sore or tired or hungry or moody or whatever? And just start paying attention to how you're feeling. So those are some of the things you could put in the spaces in between if you're tracking your meals and tracking how you're feeling, like your wellness, your health. These sections, sometimes, like, you can use them if you want. Let me just show you up close what they say. Focus up today, proud of me, tomorrow's goal. Like, you can always use those or cover them up and do something else. And then gratitude journaling is good all the time. So I usually just leave those. Sometimes I'll write in how I'm feeling up here on this part. And then whenever I do a workout, I'm usually proud of myself for doing that. So down here on this focusing on me, I have been putting either self-care things in there or workout, like whatever I do for myself that day, I'll write that in. So it might be my workout or my exercise, or it might be a self-care thing that I did. I don't usually put much in the intentions box, but you can do something with that or decorate it. And my habit is a workout. So I check yes if I do a workout on that day. And that's about it. So I've been using it, just kind of pay attention to how I'm feeling, tracking my medications, exercise, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So that's how I've been using it. using these spaces. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and take my mild liners and kind of do the same thing for the rest of the week. I'm tracking breakfast, lunch, dinner, medications, exercise, some self-care. Sometimes I gratitude journal. Sometimes I fill in this piece, check off my habit, whatever your habit is. I went ahead and put in the mild liners for each day for this week. And I'm all set. And then I'll track them with stickers on the monthly. I did my workout on the 2nd, so my next one will be on the 6th. Leave a comment down below and tell me either how you're using your daily planner layout or how you're using your workout planner. Like, what kind of things are you tracking? What are your goals? Are you trying to work on a diet? Are you working on an exercise plan? Are you working on a health plan? How are you using your health, wellness, and fitness planner?